Just want to post a quick video of our trip to Hilton Head, South Carolina. Beautiful place there. A couple of pictures of the room from the website showing the bed. The bunk beds that we had, sliding glass doors. Exactly how the sliding glass door thing works. If you just show over here, you have this little pin here which locks it. Some people go with the traditional lock on the door that doesn't have any effect here. Or some people put the board down here. But no, not here in South Carolina. They have the special pin that locks the door. You pull the pin out, you open the sliders. I can't under-exaggerate the importance of making sure that the flusher works. Last thing you want to do after driving for 14 hours with the family waiting to get in there is drop an unmentionable in there and the flusher doesn't work. Of course, if worse comes to worse, you can blame it on the previous guests. Now we're taking a walk from the lobby. This goes to the pool, the beach, the Tiki bar, breakfast, lunch, and dinner place called the Porch. In a minute here, you're going to see our actual sliding glass doors to our little area there. There it is, the Porch. Great friendly service. They love the New York accent down there, by the way. They make a big fuss over it. There's where you sit and have your drinks. There's the beautiful pool. This is the path to the Tiki bar. Good food, good drinks, always live music, very good entertainment. This is a place we visited, the Harbortown Lighthouse Museum. The lighthouse was built in 1970, 93 feet tall, 114 steps, and this is a view from the top, panoramic view I took. beautiful Hilton Head, South Carolina. On vacation. Water's about 90 degrees. Temperature's about 90 degrees. We're having a good time. This lady appears to be stuck in the sand. That happens. That's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a pleasant time down there. If there's anything negative to be said about the Hilton Head Beach House, is that everything does close down at 10 p.m., the pool and the Tiki bar. So that's the only bummer. Otherwise, it was a great time. Hope you enjoyed the video.